Hi, this is Bob. I'm a software engineer here at Fial Incorporated. Today I'm going to show you some cool products that I helped develop. Introducing Model 2311AL, Model 2316, and Model 2314. With either 32, 16, or 8 single-ended alarm inputs, you're sure to find one that will fit your spec and budget. To begin, let's take a look at the Fial 2311AL. You might know it as a remote terminal unit or just an RTU for short. Basically, you will deploy the 2311AL at each of your remote sites to watch over your equipment and report alarms back to your central office. These remotes form the front line of your network monitoring. The Fial 2311AL has some really cool features in a one rack unit package. It's not often that you get so much in a compact form factor like this. The Fial 2311AL, you're getting 32 discrete alarm inputs. Those are the standard on or off inputs that monitor contact closure alarms from your site equipment. You'll use them to monitor things like door alarms, equipment failures, power failures, tower lights, just about anything else that can be monitored with on or off type information. 32 is a good number of discretes to have. That should cover most of your sites pretty well. Fial RTUs also offer remote control of site equipment. The 2311AL has 16 control relays that let you remotely control things like backup generators, doors and gates, reboot equipment, and turn anything you want on and off. The ability to issue controls like that can literally save weeks of wasted time every year driving to sites just to push a button or flip a switch. You also get 16 analog inputs. Analogs tell you a lot more than discretes. Discretes can only tell you on or off. Analogs tell you how much. By simply wiring some standard analog sensors into your 2311AL, you'll be able to get precise measurements of temperature, humidity, voltages, battery levels, fuel levels, and a lot more. You'll also be able to set thresholds for automatic alerts when a sensor reading reaches dangerous levels, and you can also check the current reading at any time. Let's take a look at the back panel. Starting from the left side, we've got the 3-pin DC filtered power connector, which accepts 18 to 56 volts DC, a 50-pin champ connector for relay outputs, an RJ45 connector LAN port, a 9-pin craft interface port, a 25-pin connector for analog inputs, and a 50-pin champ connector for alarm inputs. There's plenty of I/O, but it's arranged in a very organized manner. Let's talk about accessing the unit. First up is the web interface. To get into it, just type the unit's IP address into your browser and hit enter. You can access it from any workstation on the network to quickly set up your alarm point descriptions, view alarm statuses, issue control commands, check your analogs, and change other settings. There's also a TTY interface for accessing the 2311AL via Telnet, either remotely or through the rear craft port. Most commonly, the 2311AL reports alarms directly to your SNMP manager. Currently, the Fial RTUs support both SNMP V1 and V2. The 2311AL MIB is easy to work with and is compatible with all SNMP managers. You can also get alarms on the front panel. Anytime an alarm is triggered, the corresponding LED will light up. The Fial 2311AL comes with free lifetime software upgrades and has a 2-year hardware warranty. It can be used by itself to protect your network or with your SNMP manager. The Fial 2311AL is protecting networks 24 hours a day all over the world, and it's the de facto choice of OEMs. With a 30-day no-risk money-back guarantee, you can't go wrong. For smaller sites that may not need as many alarms or controls, we also have the 2314 and 2316. The 2314 has 8 alarm inputs, 4 controls, and 8 analogs. The 2316 has 16 alarm inputs, 4 controls, and 8 analogs. Both the 2314 and 2316 have all their power, network, and alarm I/O conveniently located on the front panel. Well, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. To learn more about our RTUs, give us a call at 503-607-1940 or visit us online at www.fial.com.